Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Today, we're diving into the Pioneer VSA-LX805, an 11-channel home cinema amplifier that promises to deliver a cinematic experience like no other. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Pioneer VSA-LX805 is a beefy, feature-packed amplifier designed to elevate your home cinema setup to new heights. With 11 channels of amplification and support for immersive audio formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, it's clear that Pioneer means business with this powerhouse. Now, let's talk about the build and design of the VSA-LX805. While it may not win any awards for aesthetics, this amplifier certainly makes up for it in sheer functionality. It's a hefty unit, weighing in at 18 kilograms, but its unremarkable black box design with sharp edges and a brushed metal finish might not be to everyone's taste. However, one aspect of the build that we appreciate is the folding cover that keeps the front of the device looking clean and tidy. Plus, with a plethora of inputs and outputs including HDMI, optical, coaxial, and more, connectivity is definitely not lacking with the VSA-LX805. Now, let's dive into the features of this amplifier. With 150W of Class A/B amplification and support for up to 7.2.4 Atmos systems, the VSA-LX805 packs a serious punch. And with features like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi streaming, as well as support for various streaming services and voice assistants, it's clear that Pioneer has left no stone unturned when it comes to connectivity. Setting up the VSA-LX805 is a breeze thanks to its intuitive on-screen setup process and mic-assisted room calibration. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced audiophile, you'll appreciate how easy it is to get this amplifier up and running in no time. But how does it sound? Well, in our testing, we found that the VSA-LX805 excels during large-scale action scenes, delivering a grand and muscular sound that truly immerses you in the action. However, it does lack subtlety and nuance, particularly when it comes to vocal performances and quieter moments in movies or music. While the Pioneer can certainly handle the explosive sound effects of a car chase or a battle scene, it struggles to capture the delicate nuances of a singer's voice or the subtle sounds of a quiet moment. This might not be a deal-breaker for some, but if you're looking for an amplifier that can deliver both power and finesse, you might want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, the Pioneer VSA-LX805 is a feature-packed amplifier that excels in certain areas but falls short in others. If you prioritize scale and power in your home cinema setup, then this amplifier might be worth considering. However, if you're looking for a more balanced and refined sound, you may want to explore other options on the market. That's it for today's review of the Pioneer VSA-LX805. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews of the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.